Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today many persons have an iPhone and it is such a good device to do all the stuff on the go. In this video we will talk about some basic tips and tricks for an iPhone. So let's get started. Sometimes we give our phone to a friend or a kid or someone else, and we also want that no one can else access our private stuff. So there is the option of guided access. Open the app and press the home button 3 times and it will turn on guided access. If it is enabled, no one can access anything else. You can simply turn it off by your Touch ID. To enable guided access, open Settings, go to General, then Accessibility, and then scroll all the way down and there is the option of guided access. Simply turn it on. Now, the next tip is, it is for to stop background app refresh. Sometimes we don't want that our apps should work in background to fetch data. You can turn it off. Simply go to background app refresh in General and you can turn it off for an individual app. The third thing is, you can switch off mobile data for an individual app. We want to keep our mobile data on, but we don't want that this particular app should work. We can simply turn it off mobile data for that. Open the settings, then the mobile data. Then you can simply turn off the mobile data for a particular app. The next tip is uploading pictures to iCloud. Sometimes we don't want that our data automatically uploads to iCloud. We can turn it off, this feature. Simply go to iCloud and you can turn off iCloud Drive and Photos. By enabling this feature, your photos will not get uploaded to iCloud by its own. The next tip is to get our text back without writing. Sometimes we delete it by mistakes. For example, if we write something and we delete it by mistake, you can simply just shake your phone to get it back. To enable this feature, simply go to Settings, then General, then Accessibility. And there is an option of Shake to Undo. Just turn this on and you are ready to go. So friends, here are some tips and tricks of an iPhone. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can go further and I will make such videos for you.